So this man, he is a thief.
Hey guys, this is Shiv Kumar and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I thank you guys for showing so much of love and support for the last video. So when I started exploring places in my hometown. So now I'm going to explore places which are outside. So this place is called Sudi. So it is around 10 to 12 kilometers from here. And let's get started. Hey guys, I'm here at the location. So it took around 10 to 15 minutes to come here. Right now there are actually 3 places to see here. I'm here at the first one and there are 2 more at the back of this side. So before we get into detailing about this one, just have a cinematic roll of all 3 and let's watch.
So let's get inside the temple.
So this temple is called Jodu Kalsa temple, or in English we can call it as a Twin Tower temple. It is called Twin Tower because you can see there are 2 towers, this one and this one. So because of this it is called Twin Tower, or in Kannada it is called Jodu Kalsa temple. So they have written about the temple in Halegannada language. So when we get in, the first we see is this Nandi. So actually Nandi is there in every Shiva temple because Shiva used to ride on this. So you find Nandi in every Shiva temple in India.
So now we'll go to the second location. It is just like 2 minutes from here.
So these are the 2 Shiva Linga which are present at the entrance of this temple.
So I was having a talk with one of the villagers here, and he said an interesting fact about these 2. So these 2 statues, they grow in terms of height every year.
There is one more big Nandi here. Just back of this we have this Ganesha temple. So this sculpture has an interesting story behind this, and just have a look and see what it looks like.
So this man, he is a thief. So he went to take gold from that Nandi by breaking its tail. So when the Ganesha inside this temple, he saw, he caused this man to become a stone. So now we are getting inside the stepwell. So this is a very beautiful stepwell. I haven't seen in my life till now.
So this stepwell is called King Cobra stepwell. It's 30 feet in length and 20 feet in depth. So it has steps on all the 4 sides. You can just have a look here. It's so beautifully done.
Last one.
This temple is called Achaleshwara temple. That's it for today's video. Do let me know how was it. Thanks for watching and have a great week.